So, Twinkle, you've recently aced the test. How was your experience and how do you feel about it?
Experience was, I would say, good, but after achieving the results, it's satisfying that the practice is worth it.
And what were your desired score?
My desired score was 79 plus.
And this was your sixth attempt. So, what changes did you make in your preparation strategy that helped you reach 90 straight away?
I would say daily practice and then clarifying all the mistakes and getting better. And then as I did more questions, I had better understanding of the filling the blanks, which was lagging me back with the reading section.
Okay. When we first met, that was over the online group coaching session. How was your experience with that?
It was actually good and a lot of practice and feedback available.
Due to your hectic work schedule, you couldn't, I remember, practice enough. And later we connected for personal coaching sessions.
Yes, because again, I'm in Australia, so the time difference was quite huge. So I wasn't able to attend all the sessions. So I booked one-to-one sessions with you to get the proper feedback.
I remember you texting me saying that you've done all the 257 reading and writing blanks in the PT Tutorials website. Did that help?
Yes, it did. Like being that my major impact, it improved my understanding on like how to choose the answers, the vocabulary, and the tenses, like the ed, ing, and all those. It helped me choose the answers.
And how was your experience with the AI scoring at PT Tutorials website?
It was good with feedback showing how the marks are scored, where I'm lagging back. Like after doing a question and get the AI scoring, it will show you like where you're lagging back, the grammar mistakes, which you would avoid and get better.
So, Twinkle, are any last minute tips that you would like to share with the PT aspirants who are planning to take their test pretty soon?
Don't give up and practice hard.
Yes, you are a real time example of don't give up. Besides
Yeah.
constant failures, you decided to retake it, and with proper guidance, you were able to crack it.
Yeah, the daily practice. If half an hour, maybe 10 questions, but still practice.
Thank you so much for such a lovely interactive testimony. Keep working hard and keep chasing your dreams. It was lovely meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.